TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials right now are down 237. You get the NASDAQ off 71. S&Ps are down 25. Gold contracts trading up $28.60 at $12.50. We get silver up 33 cents, $15.56 an ounce. You get platinum up 10 bucks at $9.54. Light sweet crude is down $1.16, trading at $30.72. Bonds. The 10-year note up 25 ticks, 131.26. 30-year bond up 1 full point, 27 ticks, almost 2 points at 168.19. And King Dollar down 10 ticks, 97.47. King Dollar had already been up 300 ticks, giving it back. Now, let's go over to the S&Ps first. So this is what you have. If we go into the SPY, what you're going to see in the SPY is this, folks. Bottom line, you went into the February 1st swing high. We did that last week. We got over that high. You got to do it lighter volume. Well, guess what? You're coming back the other side. Yesterday, we had a contraction of volume in all the indices and the ETF structures. What you're going to see out here today, I suspect, the SPY is at 189.44. Bottom line, what I expect you're going to see a rejection of price at the 181.81. So that's saying that you're going to bounce off this particular level. That's on your S&Ps. We go over to the gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold wants higher price, folks. They couldn't whack it down. Guess what? This gold contract is on its way to $1,400. You're already at 144,000 contracts. We have a high volume swing high up here at 1263. Bottom line, it's going not only going after it, what I expect, it's going to more than likely just take it apart. Now, this is what you have. We go over to the bond market, and it's really so cool. Bonds this morning, the notes and the bonds are giving the best, the most amount of information out. And we'll see if, in fact, you get a failure on price and volume. And this is what it is. The 10-year bond, when it had the spike high, as the 30-year did, we had that spike high. That spike high was established on February 11th. The bottom of that spike high in the 10-year is 131.21. That's what you want to keep your eye on. The reason being is that we had 2.4 million contracts that day. What I expect you're going to see is that that's going to be the line in the sand. It's a test of that level. We back off that level. Now, you go over to the 30-year. What you're looking at in the 30-year, same type of setup in the 30-year. 30-year is up almost 2 full points. The 30-year would have to close under 167.22. Now, that means the 30-year would have to back off quite a bit. Oil. Now, oil is the deal that I suspect may save this market, and this is what it is. And we're still in a very large ABC structure on the way down. This is a B to a C of an ABC down. But this is what you have with oil. We're trading at 30.72 right now. The volume is contracting dramatically, folks, okay? When you get a contraction like this, fast and furious, you're going against the uptick that we had on the 16th of February as well as the 17th of February. Bottom line, we'll see if, in fact, that holds, if you get the price holding. So what do we have? You have high volatility, yet the bonds are testing their highs. The S&Ps are coming down with lower volume. We go over to the dollar index. What you have with the dollar index is this. Dollar index, once again, is going to fail on price and on volume. What you had is this. The dollar index is in a very large ABC structure on the way down. We got to 97.92 today. You're at 97.52 right now. The dollar index is building cause to get down into this 94.01 area. You can expect the high volatility to continue. All said and done, though, I suspect the lows of the day are hit. Now the battle's going to be on between the bears and the bulls. Why? Because the contraction of volume was dramatic on the way back. What I expect you're going to see out here today, once again, it's going to be dramatic on the way down, meaning contraction of volume on the way down. And then what you're going to have is that more than likely the oil market is going to be the one that is going to bring the market back. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Looking forward to speaking it right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.